we had two big intentions when we were developing Lexilogic. One was to provide a simple program that allowed people to match, just picture matching to single words. So for someone with either who'd lost their reading or who were just developing reading for the first time, whether it be child or adult, that they would have an opportunity to work through graded lessons, matching pictures to words. And the second big intention we had was to create a program that allowed teachers or therapists or others to create lessons entirely customised for the clients themselves, so they could use pictures or photographs in their life or material that they were working on at the time and actually incorporate them into a simple multiple choice picture to word matching. We'd hoped that Lexilogic would have a far-ranging audience. Primarily, we were looking at people who'd lost language, who had written language skills, reading skills that they had lost, and were at that simple level of just rebuilding single word recognition. So people with acquired dysphagia following a stroke or a head injury maybe. But also we would see a lot of applications at children in an educational setting as well, for children learning to read for the first time, like similar to a flashcard system. You know, we're looking at pictures and then seeing, can you match, what word will match this picture? We were really interested in looking at alternatives to, particularly for drill type activities, so for people at this level who may need a lot of practice. What I think computer does, first of all, it's a really interesting medium, or a new medium, but we wanted to create something really simple so people wouldn't have to learn a lot of new skills for it. In putting the program together, we wanted to have an opportunity for people to use multiple lessons or over and over again, and to be able to randomise it so that we could identify or allow for that there would be no generalisation from seeing the same material presented over and over, that it would be done in a random way. The words are presented randomly each time, the pictures are presented randomly each time in terms of the lesson type. And also what we had known in our experience was that a lot of clients will persist at a drill type activity on computer for much, much longer than sometimes they will when they're interfacing with another human being, and that it allows them to tolerate errors an awful lot more. And indeed we found that in devising Lexilogic, that people would sometimes persist way long past a session and would continue at actually working through the program in a way that we wouldn't have seen so much when in doing a drill face-to-face activity. So that was really a lot of the motivation.